hello PvP. Hi, I'm Neil, showing again a card trick, what we call the card extreme. But before I begin, I want to greet my friends, my classmates, my co-magicians there in PDC, here in Calamba City. Yes, back to school na po, and siya nga pala, especially, I want to greet my master. Hello, Master Lou, the magic stays with you. Yes, forever. So, let's start. As you can see, we have here the deck of cards. So, we have here the deck of cards. So, we have here our spectator. Mr. Spectator, have a hand. And, first, gawin ko, shuffle muna natin ang deck. Mr. Spectator, ilang beses mo siya gusto kong balasahin? Tatlo. Okay. Shuffle it 3 times. Okay. 3 times ko siyang sinapol. So, Mr. Spectator, gusto ko gawin mo, pick any card. Okay, show it to your camera. Okay? Then, gusto ko, isoli mo kahit saan. Diyan na rin? Okay, Mr. Spectator. I want you to shuffle the deck. Shuffle it. Kahit ilang beses mo gusto. Okay na yan? Okay, Mr. Spectator. So, pumili ka ng baraha mo, kinuha mo din sinuli mo sa deck. Naniniwala ka ba na yung baraha na nakuha mo, yung sinuli mo, tapos sinapol mo, kaya kong hanapin kahit nakataob ang mga baraha? Hindi ka naniniwala? Okay, so, hahanapin ko yung baraha mo. Okay? Mr. Spectator, what is your card?
Jack na diamond.
Huh?
Jack na diamond.
Jack of?
Diamond.
Jack of Diamonds. Okay. Nahanap ko ang baraha mo kahit nakataob ang mga cards. Then, thank you. Please rate, subscribe, leave a comment. God bless.